Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. Today I am showing you the supplies I use for bullet journaling as a beginner because I just started bullet journaling in January. There will be links down below to everything that I'm showing. Starting off, I have my journal, which is a Lectern 1917 A5 dotted journal. It has the page numbers at the bottom and two little bookmarks and an elastic band to hold it together. Next up, I have my markers, pens, and pencils. So let's start off with the black ink ones. So I have the Zig Writer dual tip pen, and this is very handy because it has the thinner and the thicker tip. I really like the thicker tip for writing headers and the thinner one for more precise lines. Next up, I have the Micron Fineliners in the sizes 03 and 05. I find these are the best sizes for me, but I do have the larger set. 05 is perfect for making bolder lines, whereas 03 is very thin and precise. Next up, I have these Faber-Castell Pitt Artist pens, and I really love these. I use the brush in size F mainly, and the brush pen is really useful for little headers, and size F is just a really handy black fine liner. Next, I have the Tombow Furunosuke brush pen, and this is the hard tip, and it is a very nice brush pen for small headings as well. Lastly, for the black ink, I have the Pentel Energel, and this is very useful for writing daily things in because it doesn't bleed and it writes very smoothly, and I can highlight over it. Next up, I have the Colourful ink. So to start off, I of course have my Crayola Super Tips, and I love these because of the wide variety of colors and that they're just awesome for coloring and writing. Next, I have my trusty Tombow dual tip brush pens, and I have the pastel set here with the gray as well that I bought individually because this is the pack I use the most. I mainly use the brush tip for lettering, but the finer tip can be useful as well. Here are my most used zebra mild liners. They're from a variety of the sets, but these are my absolute favorites that I keep with me in my pencil case at school, and I love that this has the dual tip because that's really helpful. Next up, I have pencils, and to start off, I have the Pentel Graph Gear 1000 with a 0.5 lead. This is the mechanical pencil I use that I find works the best for me, and it gets the job done. I also use this Ticonderoga holographic pencil with black wood. I really love it because it's so pretty and it writes really smoothly, and if I don't want to use the mechanical pencil, I have this one. I use a random eraser, whichever one is handy, doesn't really matter to me as long as it works. I have a random ruler, I think this one is from Staples, but I'm not really sure. A pair of scissors to cut up my collages usually, and this one's a Fiskars one, I think it's from Walmart. And then I also have some washi tape. I use a ton of washi tape from Michael's or other various stores. I also use Microsoft Word to make my collages, so that's just what I use on my computer, and then I print it off on printer paper and cut it out. Please make sure you comment down below what supplies you love for bullet journaling because I would love to try those out. And thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time. Bye!